Introducing Aurasaifu, the first of its kind, all-in-one solution for your asset storage, transaction, and recovery. No more hassles from the outdated wallets. The Aurasaifu allows you safely store all your cards, cryptocurrencies, even the membership card from your local store in one place. Everything is organized and accessible at your fingertips. You can use the Aurasaifu to pay through NFC POS terminals, store all your cryptos, unlock your door. Even use it to exchange name cards, all with this simple but fantastic hardware. Billions of dollars worth of asset get hacked or stolen every year. You should worry about yours as well. Aurasaifu is the first hardware on Earth using both TEE and SE technology to guarantee 100% security over your asset storage and transaction. For cryptocurrency users, you can use Aurasaifu as a cold wallet. And unlike the traditional cold wallet using USB port for data transfer, Aurasaifu uses NFC and dynamic QR code technology that is entirely off the grid. You can have full control of your crypto asset and make peer-to-peer transaction anywhere you want. Traditional credit cards and crypto software wallets are still hackable when they got lost or stolen. Not with Aurasaifu. Aurasaifu Smart Wallet will self-erase all your key information after 5 passwords fail attempts. Your asset will never be passed to the wrong hands. What about data recovery? Introducing BPAL, the NFC-enabled backup chip for Aurasaifu. This one-tap recovery solution provides an effortless way to recover your data. For crypto users, the BPAL can also replace the recovery words more securely and reliably. We believe a wallet should be not only functional but also be artistic. The Aurasaifu has a 4-inch Retina Sapphire display with a screen-to-body ratio of 83.8%. And it has gone through 45 steps of polish and multi-layer coating. The body is designed to fit for your palm. We are a team formed by scientists and top developers specialized in blockchain and digital security. We are confident about Aurasaifu, and we are ready on every perspective from software to hardware.
Access to date, allowing you to access your cards with the click of a button. And of course, it offers a variety of easy storage possibilities. Our wallets provide RFID protection against skimming and data theft, but also offer space for scanner cards to speed up your day.
Nice wallet. Thanks.
And all of this is packed into an ultra-slim and compact design. Hold on there, stranger. We're not done yet. Using Tile's smart location technology, we designed an ultra-slim solar-powered tracking device. The Tile app remembers the last place you had your wallet and is connected to a global lost and found network. Lost your wallet? Simply give it a ring to find it. Is all of this way too James Bond for you? Then settle for the extra iPhone case, offering room for cards, cash, an extra SIM card, and a reset pin.
Introducing all-new Strapo wallet. Slim, secure, stylish, and functional minimalist wallet you have ever seen from Q-Link Designs. Q-Link Designs is committed to designing unique, innovative products that offer irrefutable value for users. By connecting the best talents and designing with a wealth of experience, we come up with the Strapo Minimalist Wallet. Your wallets are getting crowded with all types of credit cards, debit cards, gift cards. Current wallets are bulky and heavy. Would you prefer a slim wallet? But slim wallets are never enough. So we went on into designing our own slim wallet which doesn't compromise on convenience. After several months of research, multiple prototypes and preparation, finally Strapo Minimalist Wallet was born. Perfectly designed, stylish and functional wallet to meet your needs. It is made of premium quality, top-grain, smooth Italian leather, and ultra-thin design that does not compromise on functionality. Our minimalist wallet features a high-quality elastic strap on one side, expands according to content, and holds it tight. You can therefore confidently fit any content like GPS tracker, keys, earphone, receipts, business card, cash, memory cards. Simply fits all that your needs without fear of losing them. 2 quick slots on another side which gives you access to your favorite card. This slot is a RFID protection-free slot, is open for your work ID card so you can seamlessly and easily access it on the go. With RFID protection, you can completely secure multiple cards in the inner compartment. With a smart pull-out strap, you can quickly access your cards and the strap will automatically retract. Here is why Strapo is the best minimalist wallet in the market. Expandable strap for maximized storage, ultra-thin minimalist design, complete protection against RFID data thieves, convenient pull-out strap, attach your key to the wallet, high-quality smooth leather, both soft and durable. Strapo is the next level of wallet quality and functionality. Protect your wallet, protect your life.
Introducing the Hide and Seek from Bellroy. A traditional wallet on the outside, it hides a few tricks on the inside. Let's take a look. First up, you'll see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 quick access card slots for the cards you use most often, and a larger pocket up top to stack the cards you use less often. Everything stays as slim and streamlined as possible. Plus 1 more card slot tucked in behind. Your bills store flat in the cash section, and when you're out of cash there, you can find your secret stash in a pocket hidden behind the flap, plus a pocket for coins or business cards. That all comes together in a slim silhouette. The Hide and Seek from Bellroy.
Vultureman is just a regular wallet, but that's only at first glance. In reality, it has a stunning design, and it's packed with super abilities. The smart wallet helps Rob in a variety of situations. Once, when he was out with his girlfriend, Rob left his wallet in the cab. But Vultureman notifies when it's been left behind and is being tracked easily by its owner. Vultureman is the only wallet with worldwide traceability.
Excuse me? I think you have my wallet. I've been tracking you, and I've got your photos opening it right here.
You are my Superman.
Babe, I'm not Superman. I've got Vultureman.
Rob's lifestyle is very active, and occasionally he forgets his phone in crowded places. But Vultureman notifies you when you've left your phone behind.
Excuse me? That's my phone. Thanks. Got it.
Superman.
I'm not Superman. I've got Vultureman.
And there's more. Vultureman has great functions for travelers as well. When you need internet anywhere in the world, instead of expensive roaming, you can use Vultureman's Wi-Fi hotspot, which is way cheaper than regular roaming.
Go ahead, talk as long as you want.
Sometimes, at very important moments, your battery dies.
Not only is Vultureman super slim and ultra lightweight, but it's also got a built-in power bank, so you can charge any phone up to 100%.
Okay, what about my phone?
And you can charge your phone wirelessly.
The idea of Vultureman started 2 years ago, and our team of engineers and designers have been working tirelessly on creating a perfect mix of design and technology. And here it is in its final shape, packed with super abilities.